Okay, so the next trick we're going to be going over is called hop the fence. Hop the fence is a different kind of looping trick. It's not thrown like a normal loop, it's actually coming down like so. The trick itself looks like this. I'm throwing the yo-yos repeatedly coming down over my hand, and I'm controlling it down to the bottom of the string. To do hop the fence, easiest way to start is when you throw, kind of throw it a little bit sideways. You'll notice it's kind of at a slight angle, and that way when I come back to throw it again, it's a little bit easier to come right over the top of my hand. So throw a little bit sideways. You can control it over and over like that. Basically, it's kind of, you can also pretend it's like when you're throwing. Pretend you've already got the yo-yo in your hand. You're ready to throw it again. As it's coming back up, just throw again. As it's coming back up, just throw again. That'll help you get the motion down. Just like that. Throw a little bit of angle. As it's coming over, throw, throw. When you first start, you might start using your whole hand. Some people control it over their fingers. You'll see it's actually coming over my fingers right there. It's kind of controlling the angle it comes out at, just like so. Some people actually just use their finger. You'll notice right now, it's just coming over my finger right now, draped right over there. Depends how you start learning. I think the best way right now, for me personally, is over my fingers. I'm able to really control the trajectory of it that way. I'm really able to control how much spin I get off of it. And as it's coming back, it's a lot easier to bring up and over and back down again. So practice that. That's hop the fence. It's really useful down the road when we start doing some two-handed tricks.